How to play games in Snapchat 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to play games on Snapchat 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, you just need to head over to your conversation with a friend, and then from in there, if you can see your rocket icon just around here, then you can send an emoji or a sticker that will also initiate the game. But if you don't have that, what you can do is just head over again to your inbox, click on your profile icon right here, and then from in there, just scroll down until you can see the settings icon. But as usually, this is just around here, so just click on that. Then from in there, just scroll down until you can see the I need help button. So in here, just click on I need help, and then this will direct you to the Snapchat Support Center. So just search for games right here, and then you can see these games in Snapchat. There's a lot of options that you can choose from, but just click on this one right here. And as you can see in here, the games are no longer available, so you won't be able to use it again. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to play games on Snapchat 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.